Okay, so a quick introduction to some basic set notation. This is something you'll need for assignment 8, which is investigation 9 on page 321. So this is basically what you find on page 320 as well. And I'll just go quickly through the terms intersection, union, complement, and conditional, and we'll see what kind of symbols we use for these and just see what do they actually mean. So whenever we construct a Venn diagram, we have what we call the universal set. That would be the rectangle that goes outside of the circles. And so the first thing we'll look at is what we call the intersection between sets. Now sets, the sets are the circles that we draw, and elements can belong to one or more sets. Now the intersection between A and B, we can write that as A, and then the symbol for intersection, and then B. And what this means is we're talking about this area here, where the two circles intersect. So this is the intersection between A and B. The union between A and B, we write that as A, and then U for union, and then B. And the union between A and B is everything that is contained within both circles. Now this includes the intersection. So everything in here is in the union of A and B. Now complement, we can write that as A apostrophe, for example. Another type of notation that you might encounter is the bar. So this means the same thing. So A apostrophe or A bar means A complement. And A complement we can translate as not A. So whatever isn't in A is A complement. So we can color in A complement like this. So whatever I color in now, this is A complement. So whatever isn't A. The last term is what we call the conditional. We write that as A, and then a straight line, and then B. And we can translate this as the event A, given that B happens. Now that's mainly relevant for probabilities when we want to ask, okay, so given that B happens, what is the probability that A happens as well? But we'll look at a couple of examples of that. But these are the basic terms: intersection, union, complement, and conditional, and the accompanying symbols. So that's the basics of what you need for assignment 8.